Okay, we're going to talk a little bit about how to edit your pages inside of WordPress. The first thing we need to cover is what version of the framework do you have? What you see on your screen is a very typical WordPress platform. It can either look like this in the visual editor or it may look like this in the text editor. But this is normally what you see with just WordPress plain by itself. This information right here, this is called shortcode. This is how WordPress uses different modules or plugins like portfolio, team, services, and things like that to display on your home page or whatever page that you're displaying. Shortcode can be a little bit like you see here with some basic text information, or it can be very extensive like you see down here. Shortcode is okay. It's great for programmers who know how to program and know how to edit in shortcode. But for the average person out there, shortcode is very confusing and causes a lot of problems. So what we do is we bring in a middle layer called a framework that allows us to build your pages in blocks that makes it very simple for you to edit and change. Now there are two different kinds of frameworks that we use. There is Divi and then there's Site Origin. Site Origin works well when you already have a WordPress theme or you have a specific WordPress theme that you want to use. Site Origin works awesome for that because what it does is it allows us to break down the pages into individual blocks for you to edit without updating or destroying the actual theme that's running. Divi, on the other hand, is a complete takeover. You build the whole website using the Divi theme itself, and then Divi pages will have the blocks that you can do your editing in. There's pros and cons to both. Some clients will have one versus the other, and let's look at what the difference is so you know which one you should be using. Like I mentioned, this is shortcode. This is stock WordPress. It's been like this for over a decade, and this is what normal people will see when they don't have any other framework. This is the Divi Builder. When you go to your pages, and you go to edit a page, you'll see the Divi Builder right here. You'll also see down here in the lower corner that Divi has been installed. This is what it looks like. The colors haven't changed in quite a while, but this is the Divi Builder. This is Site Origin. When you go to your pages over here and you click on Edit a Page, which we'll talk about in the next video, this is what Site Origin will look like. One of the keys is it says Site Origin in here, but these blocks are a little bit different. And now that you know which framework you're using, you can select the right video in order to edit your pages.